Have you ever heard strange sounds in the night? Welcome to Waterloo, where the eerie noises captivate locals and explorers alike. As darkness falls, groups gather to share their chilling encounters. What do these sounds really mean? Are they just the wind or something more? Local legends swirl around these strange sounds. Investigators dive into history, uncovering tales of spirits and echoes from the past. With state-of-the-art gear, paranormal teams are on a mission. Are they ready to record evidence of the unexplainable in Waterloo? As people gather by the lake, the sounds become louder, echoing across the water. What will they discover tonight? Don't miss out on creating amazing videos. Download Video GPT for free on the App Store and Google Play right now.